Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you select all Google Photos all at once on your PC? Well, it's relatively simple, so bear with me. Let's just go ahead and search. Like these are the only photos on my documents here. On the albums, it's quite empty. So again, if you have the photos lined in here, you could basically see check marks on the side here. You could select it individually if that's what you want, again depending on the photo. But if you have multiple photos and you want to choose from whether individually or all of them, you just basically click on the blue on the top here, and that'll basically select all the photos. You see the check marks, and that basically means it's all selected now, and you can do with it whatever you want. Just right click and you could basically delete it here and share it also. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.